Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today we will be creating this cute little gnome for our fall decor. What you're going to need is some type of fabric. I'm using an old shirt, a mop, and I just took this mop head off of a mop from Dollar Tree, ping pong ball from Dollar Tree, got a black sock, and I picked up some of these red kidney beans from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this hazelnut Waverly chalk paint for the nose. So let's go ahead and paint the nose so it can be drying. And I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, the next thing we want to do is get our kidney beans, and we're going to put them in the sock, in this black sock. Now I'm going to make a hole here. I may have to actually cut off some of this sock, a little bit too long. And now I'm going to hot glue this with a hole in it because I want to be able to hot glue the mop head down into the sock like so. I'm just going to fill this up with a lot of hot glue. Take my mop head and hold it down in there. Now I'm just going to take the hot glue gun. I'm just going to go around the edge because I really don't want the head to fall off. Okay, so hopefully that will hold it. And now what I'm going to do is just cut it down the middle. Maybe not. I may just do this. That should fit fine. So I'm just going to start down here and just cut up at an angle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am actually going to iron like this to give it a seam for me to put my hot glue in. Let me start here and iron this down. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So we'll start down here at the bottom of the little hat. Put some hot glue. And then we're just going to run the hot glue all the way up. Okay, and now we're just going to turn our little hat in right side out. Then we're going to take our little hat, put it down over our gnome. So we're going to just stick the head on there like this. And most people are hot gluing these down, but I don't want to because I may even use this as a Christmas decoration, and I want to be able to put on a different type of hat. So I'm just going to leave the hat sitting there. Then now it's time to glue on our nose, but we need a second layer of paint. So you go ahead and do that. And I'm going to sit it back down in here and let it dry. Just take some of the paint off. Dab that. Give that just a minute to dry. What I'm thinking about doing is putting a little Pom Pom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little Pom Pom from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to hot glue it onto the little hat, the little gnome's hat. See, isn't that cute? It's a little bit different. And there is our little fall gnome with his cute little pom pom on his hat. Alright, stick around to see the final product. I may be a little biased, but I think this is the cutest little gnome I have ever seen. What do you think?